Forward.
All right, good late morning, everyone. Michael Venezia. Friday. It's Friday. Oh, Friday. Horrible. It is, but we'll look at the TradeView market site after our AM video. Please go watch it on TradeGATEHub, the red YouTube icon. Also watch Coach's video out to prepare for what's going on this weekend. Okay, getting back to our morning video, what's moving as well. CRBP. Hold on, let's go to the top. Good morning. Make sure I'm sharing the right one and talk about stocks that I talked about this morning as well going forward. A little frothy. Visa results, stocks acting well. All these stocks acting. AXP at the time was up another 4 or 5% after that. Wells Fargo. Colgate, as per video. Let's go to the videotape. Somebody was selling me Colgate today at $77. Okay, let's go to settings. Let's go to 6:30 a.m. That's me. And I'm buying like 800 shares of Colgate, 78, 79, 80. So my average price was like 79. So I started selling a little pre-market 81. Then I'm looking up 82. So I'm buying it 78 and a half pre-market. I'm getting filled at 82. Highs are 83, Colgate. Why did I do Colgate today? KMB, like the previous video, reversed and went up. Procter & Gamble, same thing. They're acting better, these consumer durable staples. You already want to call it Colgate. There it is. Most importantly, what gave me the idea of taking a stock into earnings wasn't really, there were a lot of obviously stocks that reported, including AXP, which probably should have been along. Oh my God. But DFS that reported down, bounced nicely. Capital One, another one bouncing, but it's AXP, Visa, AXP, AXP. You know, it used to be NVIDIA's world, and we were just living in it. Now you can join AXP. It's American Express's world, and we were just living it. So what's going on? MOR I had on this tape. Watch this one. This is a sexy stock. This thing moves 10. I'm also long GCT as per the morning video. How can you not? If I was short it, I'd be worried, but I'm not short it, so I'm not worried. What else? Okay, Levi had reported earnings today. Look, and I'm in it. I had a lot of Levi too. Hold on a second. Put the chart down. Levi. Where am I in Levi? LEVI's Meta's breaking high. Levi. Where's my executions? Levi. Selling at 1560, 16, 16. I came in long it overnight. Levi, look at this range. I came in long it. Now it didn't act poorly because it's a retail. Every other retail is acting well. So my average price was 15.45. It wasn't even down that much. It was down like 20 cents. 15.45. Didn't really break low. All the other stocks are acting well. Guess Jeans, all these other ones. So I bought some Levi's. Yes, they did the restructuring, fired the work staff, did whatever they had to do. Okay, stock went from 15.28. I'm selling a lot of it at 16.11. It bounces. Then it's not going down anymore, so I'm buying more at 16.20. Okay, not bad. I didn't, it's not like I'm selling more at 16.50 and turn around at 17.50. I take Tony P outside. 17.50 to 15.25. How's that for a round tripper? You got to focus. I didn't get the top. Why did I sell it early? I sold it at this. I started selling it. Hold on. Obviously, the majority I sold it at 16.50 for a reason. 16.50 was I went right through this, right through the right through the level. I thought it would level out here. Here's this gap here, which was 16.60. It was a fast market right over here, so I didn't think I'd get it. So I sold it, whatever. I didn't think it'd go up another $1 as Meta breaks high. How you doing? Meta joining me. Google, the Microsoft, the NVIDIA. What do you need to know? And IBM. IBM should replace now Tesla in the Magnificent Seven. Although IBM gave a little bit back. There's Tesla. You know what I mean? It's heavy. It's got to work things off. I don't have an opinion on it. I'm not that Tesla driven. All I can tell you is that the market did the same thing basically It did yesterday. After earnings, you thought that Tesla was down huge and it would take down the market. Incorrect. The market went right back up, shrugged it out, and you thought the market today, because of Intel, with bad news, would shrug it off. AMD went positive. SMCI went positive. I mean, pins, Shopify breaking out now. That's probably the next one. This is coiled. Shopify. This is coiled. Okay. What else we got? Oil's backing off after being positive. Now they're negative. What do you call this? Banks. Vera continuing. Hot stock. Range, volume, price action. Kept going. Vera, it worked. CRBP, I alerted everybody in the room. Go back to TradeGATEHub. CRBTP, the stock was 17. I believe I alerted at the first hole at 20. Hit a third high of 34 today. I should be on it. It's my job. AAL going lower. Intel not doing much. GCT, I'm in it. CGON, watch this hot IPO from yesterday. Third stage 3 development oncology company. Seriously, if it breaks 40, it takes out yesterday's high of 38. It's a go. BWAC holding on into the weekend. Okay, coin. They're getting bullish into the weekend as all these traders have nothing to do. There's the Mara acted well. A couple of guys had Mara long that said it was basing here. Good call. Boeing, tiny bounce. There's the daily. China, Square bouncing. Square bounced up the 200-day twice, or it was close to it. If you thought you were going to get the perfect scoop on Square at the 200-day, you're incorrect. Just as Coach would say, never made a newer low. It acted well. I might listen. It's in the channel. Pins. What else do we? It's in the channel, so the trade is apparent. Intel, let's watch how that closes. AFRM was positive this morning. Then it went negative. Then it went back to positive. 40.91 to 43. Back to 41. Back to 42. Trading. Hold on, let me take this off. The start time, 9:30. And by the way, I use the same platform here. Obviously, this is a Tradeview platform. So anybody that's getting used to this wants to set up a platform as crude actually breaks low. That's not good for my cruise lines. Got a cruise liner on. Avago, giving it all back. The old Broadcom. Listen, we get to see on these charts if they're still resting and going to roll over. I mean, some of these things gave in candles, but it's yet to be determined if it was a profit taking and overbought, a sell-off pullback, a washout. Oh, yeah, Zim going down. Watch if this breaks below the 200-day, although there's still activity in the Red Sea. But you know what? Let's go to volume and let's go to what's moving. My opinion is irrelevant, except if you ask me. Okay, what are the wise guys doing? Pins bearish, Meta calls. I don't blame them. Anti-VIX and a buy signal. MOR calls. Watch an MOR I pointed out. Carvana rolling over in strikes. Not interested. GDC, GCT breaking high. I'll buy more of that. Hold on. Buy for that market. Where we're going? Filled. More GCT. SPY bullish. Rumble. That goes with DWAC. Square bullish. Nevada bullish. Right in front of the Intel strikes. Right in front of Intel. They're saying, Intel, you're irrelevant. Okay, let's go here. More on this pop of pins bearish Meta. Let's go to this. Most active stocks. It's part of the plan, right? Active stocks, price range, volume. Intel, to no surprise. Tesla. So is the biggest stock today that reported yesterday? GCT. Biggest stock today and yesterday. Tesla and Intel. Mara, as I mentioned, AMD, to no surprise. Save, no deal. AAL, after earnings, gave it all back. CRBP mentioned it. Pfizer, blah, protection. Amazon looking to go at new highs. I'm sorry, Coach. CCL, I'm in that short. Let's look at percentage gainers on the day, intraday. CRBP mentioned it. So APPF maybe. PBLA, I'm interested. RVSN, this is the one. This is the one. Whatever it is, it's the one. And it's not stopping yet on every dip. 2 to 9. Real Vision. Where's the weekly? Oh, it's one of these SPAC, I guess. It looks like a SPAC or a split. Real Vision. It's got action, price range, volume. How much does it have? RVSN. 4 million. Normally it does 6 million, but it's skewed. No problem. We're in it. DWAC. Moore brought it up. Rum brought that up. Let's go. What's moving down? The percentage losers on the day? Intraday. Pardon me. Save brought it up. Dave and Buster, no volume today. 100,000 shares, can't do much. Mayo. Zim mentioned it. Boyle giving a little back. Coach, great trade on that gas. Said it's for maybe make a new low. I get it. I got my eyes on it. Go to yesterday's Tradeview video for Coach with natural gas. All right. Let's see what's moving lately. Percent gainers 15 minutes. What's moving the last 15 minutes? Percentage. More is the one with volume. MYO, not interested. RVSN, this is the one. RVSN and more so far. Midday action. Sarah, a lot of these guys, I got alerted on Sarah today. They told me, can't catch them all. This is Sarah. On the daily, this is Sarah, not bad. I get it. I get it. They alerted me. Weekly, monthly. You know what I mean? I got to work this thing. You know what I mean? I can't pay up. I got to work it. You know, I need like 6. Somebody alerted me to it, though. Keep in mind. MXC, percent losers, 15 minutes. McAfee, nothing. You know what? This, you know, I don't even see anything like sexy. These are like low CCTG, new IPO. I'll leave it at that. Listen, as Coach says, VIX dollar, you're probably not going to make your week at mid-Friday. You could have a chance of losing it. VIX dollar, New York volume down 50%, NASDAQ down 50%. Nothing's going on. So it tells me that the pullback is basically profit taking and not any type of panic. So far, see what happens with the VIX. If I can take any questions, I will. Let me go back to TGH, main page. To watch myself watching myself. Wild. Okay. For those that are not interested already, go to stocks. You sign into TGH, get yourself a demo account if you don't have a live one. New York Stock Exchange stocks. Good percentage. What's up on the day over here? There you go. CPSR. There's the chart. Let me give something better. Hold on. There's the chart. Rearrange it to what you like. You can go on the bottom here if you punch up the name. Sponsored by TradingView. Go to Forex. What's moving on the Forex day? Just punch it up. Change. High, low. Gives you the heat map. Indices. What's moving today? You want to look what's everything going across the board? Your mom asks you what's going on or something? Right here. Son, what moved much today? Well, you know what? The crude volatility index was up 3% today. I bet you didn't know that, Mom. Market movers. Top news. You want to see what's going on. Top news. 1 minute ago in stocks. Global headlines, crypto, commodities, Forex. Go back to the trading room to make sure your account got opened. If not, go back and see what I gave you this morning. Compare it to this afternoon, every day, please. And go watch Coach. This is what we do every day consistently. TGH is all about quality, not quantity. All these lists are curated over years of Coach and I having basically close to 100 years trading experience. I'm good at putting my ego aside to put up things that are relevant, and we'll leave it at that. Trade well, have a plan, and we'll see you in the room. Cheers.